Welcome back to the channel. Today we're walking through how to print a boarding pass for Southwest Airlines so you're ready for your flight without any last-minute stress. First, open your browser and go to the Southwest Airlines website. At the top, click on Check-in. You'll need your confirmation number, first name, and last name. Enter these details and click Check-in. Once your reservation appears, Southwest will assign you a boarding position. You'll see an option to Print Boarding Pass. Click it, and make sure your printer is connected with enough paper and ink. If you don't have access to a printer right away, you can email the boarding pass to yourself. Look for the Email Boarding Pass option. Send it to your email address, and print it later from any printer. Another option is to check in through the Southwest mobile app, where you can view and save your boarding pass. However, for a printed copy, you'll still need to email it to yourself or print directly from the website. If printing at home isn't possible, you can print your boarding pass at a Southwest kiosk in the airport by entering your confirmation number or scanning your ID. Having your boarding pass printed in advance saves time at the airport and ensures a smoother boarding process. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your travel tips in the comments. Thanks for watching.